Hi, my name is Stephen. Welcome back to Wplifestyle. If you are new here, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so you get notified when next I upload a video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you my top 12 WordPress plugins for 2021 and beyond. These plugins are not in any particular order. These are plugins that I use very often on my website and on my client's website. Of course, there's other WordPress plugins out there that are really good, but these are the ones that I use very often and I like them. So I'm going to show you these plugins in this video, but I'm not going to go in depth and explain each and every plugin and how you can use it, because if I do that, it's going to make this video way too long. So what I'm going to do is, if you like any of this plugin, let me know in the comment section below. If you want me to make a video about a specific plugin, let me know in the comment section below, and then I'm going to make a dedicated tutorial to that specific plugin to show you how you can use that plugin on your website. So the first one on my list right here is Math SEO. So if you don't know what SEO means, it basically means search engine optimization. So this plugin right here is going to allow you to optimize your website and tell Google how to read your website. I know that most people use Yoast SEO. You can see here that Yoast SEO has over 5 million active installation. The reason why I choose Math over Yoast is because some of the features that you get in Yoast, they are only in the pro version. That means you have to pay for the pro version of Yoast to be able to get these features, but you get all that in Math for free. And one major feature that I also like in Math is the ability to add more than one focus keyword. And then the next plugin on my list, it's called Rishmosh. Is that how you pronounce it? I don't know, but this plugin is for image optimization. It's very important to optimize the images that you upload on your website, because if you don't do that, it's going to slow your website down. But this plugin right here is going to allow you to optimize your image automatically. Once you upload it on your website, it's going to help you to compress your image and optimize that image for speed. So that's why I like this plugin. It's a great plugin if you want to optimize all your images right from your WordPress dashboard without using Photoshop or any other image optimization tool. And then the next one on my list is iTheme security. So iTheme is basically a great WordPress plugin when it comes to security. I know that most people use WordPress security, but I prefer iTheme security because it's lightweight and it doesn't slow down your website, and you also get all the functions that you get inside of WordPress. So why not? So I've been using it and I'm loving it so far. You can go ahead and check it out. And then the next plugin on my list is Google Analytics. Here you can see that we have all different type of Google Analytics plugins that you can use, but I prefer this one by Google. So with this plugin, you can see all your analytics right from your WordPress dashboard. You can see how people are using your website and what they're doing on your website. So this is a must-have plugin if you want to see all your analytics from your WordPress dashboard. And then the next plugin on my list is called Duplicate Post. This is a very simple plugin. You can see all this plugin does is to duplicate your posts. So basically what this plugin is going to help you do is, if you have a page like this, for example, that you want to duplicate, instead of going into that page and copying every single section, you can go ahead and just click on duplicate this. If I click on duplicate this, it's going to make a copy of this about us. You can see right now that I now have a draft version of this about us. If I go over here and duplicate another page, let's say I duplicate this contact page right here, you can see now that we now have a draft version of this contact page. And then the next plugin on the list is called Cleantalk. So Cleantalk is basically going to help you to prevent all sort of spam on your website. So if you have a contact form on your website, or you have something like maybe a comment section on your blog post where people will comment, so this plugin is a must-have for any WordPress site that have a contact form or a comment section. And then the next plugin on the list is called Formidable Form. This is my favorite WordPress form builder because this plugin gives you more flexibility and more advanced options when it comes to building a WordPress form. So if you have a WordPress website, you will know that backups are very crucial and they're very important. You might wake up one day and see that your website has been hacked, but if you have a backup, you can go ahead and use your backup and restore your WordPress website. There's so many options when it comes to backing up your website. You can use pretty much any plugin that you want to back up your website, but I have my favorite two plugins that I use when it comes to backing up my website. The number one plugin that I use is called Updraft. You can go ahead and use this plugin to back up your website and restore your website at any time. I highly recommend this plugin because it's so good when it comes to backing up and restoring your website. You can see here that it has 5-star and also 3 million active installations. Another plugin you can use is also all-in-one WP Migrate. So if you're looking for something simple and easy, I would recommend going with WP Migrate because here you can see that it's a very good plugin and it has over 3 million active installation. And then the next plugin on the list is WooCommerce. WooCommerce is not really necessary if you're not selling anything on your website, but if you're building a web shop or you're planning on selling anything on your website, WooCommerce is a must-have for your WordPress website. And the next plugin on the list is Manage WP by Godaddy. If you're someone that manages more than one WordPress website, Manage WP is a great plugin to have because if you're someone like me who manage more than 50 websites, it's going to be a little tedious to log into every single website to do a simple update. But with Manage WP, you'll be able to do updates for all the websites that you manage from one single dashboard. You'll be able to do minor changes to the website that you've managed from one single dashboard. If you want me to make a tutorial about this plugin, let me know in the comment section below, and then I'm going to show you how you can use Manage WP to manage multiple clients' websites. And then the next plugin on the list is called Custom Post Type UI. So this is a great plugin for those of you that want to add a custom post for your WordPress website. If you don't need a custom post for your WordPress website, then you don't need this plugin. But if you want to add a custom post to your WordPress website, then you definitely need to check this plugin out. Because if you want to add, let's say you are selling books and you want to add a custom post here called books, you know how we have pages here, we have posts over here. Maybe you want to add another post type here called books or magazine or whatever you want to add. You can do that using this plugin. If you want me to make a tutorial about this plugin, let me know in the comment section below and I'm going to make a tutorial about it. And then the last plugin that I have on my list here is called Label CMS, and this plugin allows you to customize WordPress dashboard and all the WordPress panel and rebrand WordPress and also customize your login page and make the experience and navigation easy for your client. So let me show you an example of what your dashboard will look like when you use this plugin to customize your WordPress dashboard. The good thing about this is you can also use Elementor or Beaver Builder to customize the dashboard and design it just exactly the way you want it. So if you go back over here on dashboard, so this is a custom dashboard. You can see how this dashboard look, and this is something that you can do with Label CMS. This is the list of plugins that I use very often. Of course, there's other plugins out there that are really good, but these are the ones that I use very often that I just wanted to share with you guys. If you want me to make a tutorial about any of the plugins, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you get notified when next I upload a video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.